Hi everyone, we are here to go over how we can use our place value chart to solve 3-digit by 1-digit division problems. All right, so let's go ahead and start with 372 divided by 3. All right, so we're going to represent this on our place value chart. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my place value chart. I have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. I'm going to go ahead and represent my whole, which is 372. So that's 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 2 ones. And then I'm trying to divide this into 3 groups. So I'm representing my 3 groups. All right, I'm going to show how we are divvying it up in green. We start with our greatest place value for division. So I see that I have 3 groups and I have 3 hundreds. I can put 100 on each group. Remember, division means I'm taking my total and I'm separating it into equal parts. All right, so I've separated all of my hundreds into 3 equal groups, so I can move on to my tens. I notice I have 7. I know that I can go ahead and put 2 on each because I know that 2 times 3 is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and represent that. We could do it one by one if we wanted to. I could do 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, and 1. All right, this 10 is a remainder because I can't put this 10 in any of the 3 groups without that causing that group to be uneven. So we're going to go ahead and decompose our remainder. I have a 10. I'm going to decompose it into my next smallest place value, which is my ones. I know that 110 is the same as 10 ones, so I'm going to go ahead and show that. Here's my 110, and I'm decomposing it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. My overall value of 372 is not changing. I'm just representing it differently. This is the same as if we had $372 and I represented that as 3 hundreds or $300 bills, 6 $10 bills, and then 12 $1 bills. I'm still going to have 372. I'm just again representing it differently. All right, I know that I have 12 total ones now. 12 divided by 3 is going to give me 4. Let's make sure that works. I'm going to do 2 at a time this time. So I can put 2 here. I can put 2 here. It's very important that we cross off as we go so that way we make sure that we're representing that total place value within. All right, so now I've completely shared all of my discs. Now what I need to do is I need to decide what's my quotient. Remember, my quotient, or the answer to our division problem, is how much is in one group. Because I don't want to say 372 because that already tells me, or excuse me, I don't want to say 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 12 ones because that just gives me my overall total of 372. I want to know how much is in one of these groups. So there's 100 in each group, 2 tens in each group, and 4 ones in each group, meaning that my quotient is 124. If I wanted to check myself, I could go ahead and check myself using multiplication. That's a great way to check since multiplication and division are inverse operations. When I do 124 times 3, I should get my overall quotient, or my overall total, my overall total of 372. Let's see, 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to bundle that 10 ones into a 10. 2 tens times 3 is 6 tens, plus my 1 10 from before would give me 7. 100 times 3 would give me that 3 hundreds. And so we can see that we were right because we want to make sure that we have that same value, those same values, whether it be addition or whether it be multiplication or division, since those are inverse. So I could show my 372 and my 3 groups. When I divide 372 into 3 groups, I get 124. If I do 124 times 3, I get 372. So that was a quick reminder of how we can do 3-digit divided by 1-digit division. Please make sure that you also check out the 4-digit by 1-digit division video to help you continue working on that digital learning choice board. And as always, let me know if there's anything else I can help with. Thanks so much.